Oh, sorry, didn't know it was on. Hi guys! So in a few seconds, I'll be showing you what I purchased as I drive myself to start coloring, expand my creative side, and awaken the inner child in me.
Time for me to show the box.
A variety kit that has all the products you need wrapped up in a wonderful package. It contains 24 Premier colored pencils, 1 Premier colored blender, 1 black illustration marker, 1 Premier kneaded eraser, 1 Premier sharpener, and 1 coloring booklet. So now let's see what it really looks inside. Oh, hi, Mr. Owl. To be honest, you're my least favorite from the bunch because you're smaller than I expected. And it would require the focus, attention, and effort just to color within the lines. But to be fair, the designs are very detailed and it is useful, especially for those who like things that can be brought anywhere. It is really travel friendly. I'm gonna read what's on the box. This is Prismacolor Premier .005 illustration marker. Premium pigmented ink is acid-free, light-fast, permanent, water-resistant, smear-resistant, and won't bleed through paper. Now, we have the Prismacolor Premier Colorless Blender. It is used to blend, layer, and soften edges of colored pencil artwork. This Prismacolor Premier Sharpener, designed to sharpen Prismacolor pencils to a perfect point. Sharpener cover keeps shavings inside, and it has the highest quality still laid. Next up is the Prismacolor Premier Kneaded Eraser, though I'm really having a hard time pulling it up. Seriously? Don't mind me. I can do this. Oh, if only I had done this earlier. Okay, this is it. Success! Take 2. This is Prismacolor Premier Kneaded Eraser. It is excellent for highlighting and cleaning chalks, charcoal, pastels, and colored pencils. Now it's time to check the Prismacolor Premier colored pencils, which are not here. What? I thought the colored pencils were included. Nah, I'm just kidding. They're here, safe and sound. So beautiful. Artist quality colored pencils for every level of expertise. High quality pigments for rich color saturation. Soft, thick cores create a smooth color laydown for superior blending and shading. I'm counting the pencils to make sure if they're complete. Crazy, right? Did you see my nail? Just wanted it to show to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. They're incredibly good to look at. So in a few seconds, I'll be doing swatches to see how pigmented they truly are. Lavender. Aquamarine. Neon orange. Black. China blue. Dark green. White. 30% warm gray. Dark brown. Sienna brown. Crimson red. Canary yellow. Indigo blue. Chartreuse. orange, pink, electric blue, mulberry, violet, neon yellow, metallic gold, silver, neon pink, apple green, just away the dirt, and voila! They're pretty much what I asked for. I was super thrilled to purchase this kit because it has everything I need to get started with my coloring expedition. Not only does it allow me to express myself, reduce a level of stress, but it will also help me remain focused. Coloring is fun. Come, grab your crayons and join me. I really had a great time coloring, though there are tons of points that I need to learn about, especially blending, shading, and such. Hence, I'm super glad to have gotten this as my practice guide.
So now that the video is over, I just wish, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button.